I'm back again with my 56 gallon here. I recently moved 2 joules from my Laguna tank 75 and moved this poster or puzzle, or I mean changed the puzzle that the Dracula's staring at, wondering what the hell is different, and added those plants at the top there. So it's all filled in with fake plants. The aggression towards the 2 joules is fine. I thought there was going to be a little bit of a problem, but so far so good. The blood parrot seems to just mind his own business. Yeah, I really like this tank with these different fish in it. This is one of the first puzzles I did. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think. The only thing I feel sorry for this one. I don't know if it's gone through hell. This one seems. He might have to be moved to a hospital tank and treated after these yellow labs are a little bigger. Alright, I'm gonna call this a video. Thanks a lot for watching. Oh, that's the first little swipe I've seen in a while towards the jewel there. I think he's just on his way. He definitely was checking out that background though.